I throw a salute, give you where they look me koro and they hear me wine on top of the chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And this na the Ogbonge program will give you license to talk about the be for body as E DEY HOT. Today na Friday, na the last day of our discussion on top of as E DEY HOT before we go for the weekend. But the guy what we do every Friday, we do what we call the review, where we go drop all the things when we discuss from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, come throw the phone lines open so that you in the house, when don't reason all the things when we talk, but when don't try to call or chook mouth inside the matter and you know enter, you go feed do am. We do on top of Facebook, Wazobia TV fan page. Go like am. Anywhere where you see our thread, chook mouth on top of the matter. We do on top of Twitter too at TV as E DEY HOT. And we get a website where you can send email to as E DEY HOT at wazobiatv.tv. My name na Ezugo Chokwoje. And as usual, una know I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as they concern this matter as E DEY HOT.
Yes, good morning, Nigerians. Good morning, viewers, and good morning, our country people. Friday, the last day of today's edition of As E DEY HOT. Just a review of what we'll talk over the week. My name never still change. My name now Unkubi, and this now As E DEY HOT.
Yes, on Monday, as usual, what they always do on top of As E DEY HOT now to look all the things will happen for the weekend. And after we chook mouth on top of that one, we're going to go into our first topic. And the first topic now, the dates, March 28th and April 11th, how the thing take the important reach. We get some visitors when come. The people went to say there be I Am Ready project. People they call them the conveners of I Am Ready project. And they chook mouth inside the matter to let us know, say, that March 28th and April 11th, for us to show everybody inside this our Obodo Nigeria, say, we don't ready. Now for us to get our PVC ready and make we dey wait. Say, no excuse again to use shift the election. As we say, our soldier people, don't they tidy Boko Haram people for the Northeast, peace don't they come, and INEC don't they distribute PVC. And
on Tuesday, we'll come look into the dwindling fuel scarcity way we experience for Obodo Nigeria, where we say if we start a couple of days before that day. I will come also see, okay, waiting be the causes. Some opposition they talk say, see, this thing na APC they behind. While some people feel say maybe na lack of government interest or lack of government responsibility to make sure say fuel they steady. So on Tuesday now, waiting will look inside, and it's a good thing say at least fuel don't they steady now. People don't they see fuel buy. So that was for Tuesday.
On Wednesday, we can look as some police people come out to talk, say, since after they promote them for December 2013, say the additional money where they're supposed to top up for their salary, say they never they collect them until January 2015 when they come begin, they pay them the money. And these police people can't draw ear, give everybody when care to listen, say, if they not pay them their money on the 28th of March, when be the day of the presidential election and into a National Assembly, say they no go work. They no go work. And plenty people come and look, say, this thing na the right thing. Now, Unkubi people talk that one. Say na the right thing, make them go on strike. Another people come talk, say, how now? Why you go strike on the 28th of March? Say, it be like, say, monkey hand, they inside the soup.
And yesterday, maybe Thursday, we can look the reaction where they come from the rumor say they won't sack Jaga, they won't sack Jaga. Where House of Rep come out talk say, look, me they don't even make any attempt say they won't sack him at all, because if they sack him, say if it cause reaction from people where we say already they don't they vex already, and if you just raise alarm, raise reaction to the point where we say they fit no see am hold. And we also get guests. Yes, who was the guest yesterday?
Honorable Jide Jimo.
Honorable Jide Jimo, where they also will be member of Lagos State House of Assembly, I guess, and then former chairman of Yaba local government.
Una don't hear all the things when we discussed this week. The importance of March 28th and April 11th on Monday. The artificial scarcity. The one where Chief Femi Fanika they talk say, it be like say APC get hand inside the matter. And also the threats when the Nigeria police officers talk say they will go on strike. And finally, the people when they talk say, it be like say they won't come out Oga Atayiru Jega come out for office. Una don't hear all the things we get to discuss. We go through our phone lines open, make you chook mouth on top of this matter to take talk am as the thing be you for body as e dey hot. Remember, say we get 3 telephone lines. We don't paste them on top of the screen now. If you no get them, store them. If you never share them with your family and friends, waiting, do them quickly. And we get a toll-free line. The toll-free line are the one where we say, you go call, you go talk. The full Nigeria go hear you, but now we go dey pay. And we go rush, go this break now. When we go this break, come back, our telephone lines go down open. And you go fit chook mouth for any of this topic. Feel free. Now, as e dey hot, today na a review of all the things wey happen this week. When we come back, we will continue our discussion as e dey hot. Welcome to As E Dey Hot, the review. We don't talk all the things when we discuss this week and why it is important to make you chook mouth for inside this matter. We go through our phone lines open so that you go put mouth and talk am as e dey be you for body. Nkubi, you don't hear all the things where we talk this week. And I dey very sure say for your mind, you self know, based on all the people wey call this week, say it be like say somehow. Nah. They would as in that match 28th and April 11th to e be like that date don't they fear una because you get some kind cry una don't they cry out now when we don't they hear say hey they won't come out jega they don't want come out am. Meanwhile Oga President don't assure us say you no go come out and this fuel scarcity we know wetin una fit do. We know say somehow because it's an artificial scarcity. Polycarp call us from Enugu tell us say fuel dey. Somebody call from Nasarawa say fuel dey. Another person call from Kogi say fuel dey. Another person call from Damaturu say fuel dey. How fuel go dey everywhere for this country and yet for some places e no dey? Nkubi, tell Nigerians the truth. Tell Nigerians the truth because even the Bible say the truth shall set you free.
I dey like am when you dey run your mouth. That is when you don dey talk. If you say they talk, they run, they talk. They talk, they tell Nigerians say, fuel don dey. They tell Nigerians say, now we dey responsible, say we dey fear. Say waiting.
Which voice? Wait. Wait.
Wait.
You think say I dey fear your voice? I'm waiting. You dey do like both.
Hey, Chukudi. Well, now as a result of the reaction of people, as a result of the reaction of opposition, now I make now say, okay, make Kukuma stabilize and make we bring back fuel. I've never been him.
Who be the people first when tell the market?
Ask yourself.
You will answer it.
Ask yourself.
You will answer it.
Ask yourself.
You are the one that will answer
Ask
it.
yourself.
Because you know about them.
And that plot to remove Jega no go work for now.
Who tell you say they want to remove her? Who tell you say they want to
Una
remove
come
her?
talk something else tomorrow. Behind the curtain and that thing that they do.
Oh, when una win election for Edo State, unko?
Yes, free and fair.
When una win for Ekiti State, unko?
Free and no. Ekiti was not free and fair.
How was it not free and fair?
It was, we never they see the sign.
Which sign you they see?
You never hear about the voice.
Which voice?
That thing now.
Which voice? No, it's not true.
What Nigeria they hear about now?
Yeah, waiting.
Say manipulation day.
Which manipulation?
Say they carry out plot. Three.
Which plot? Which plot?
Nigerians, there's no point talking because already we know, and the matter still dey fresh and on ground.
Why the sitting governor?
That tribunal.
Why the sitting governor?
We gonna sit. Anyway, we cannot even talk.
You not begin to talk with him.
No worry. Eventually, that case will be looked into, and we know say there is element of truth in everything. This is what I'm saying. Even the very visible.
Thank you very much. This element of truth where you don't talk now, that the element of truth say now cause for scarcity. And again, Oga Polycarp go chook mouth for the matter.
Oga Polycarp, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp. Oga Polycarp, we dey hear you.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Chukode.
Good morning. You don't hear all the things where we get to talk. Anyone where you want chook mouth on top, feel free.
Yes. Good morning, Kobe.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
You don't learn the pledge.
Eh?
Oh,
I know pledge right from time. I'm a Nigerian and I know pledge.
I can't hold you for throat that the way in one side.
Now you know be Chukudi.
You come for
No Chukudi. You know as they take do now.
PC government to hold people for throat. You just try to come in.
Thank you.
Thank God at least you talk with your mouth safe word everywhere.
Thank you. You talk am.
So every place
Of course
in Nigeria
now. Voices don't make for a day. Voices from the opposition.
Only position anything. First scarcity on the hand of monkey.
Now, artificial scarcity.
Wait, Uncle B. Wait. I know the police don't clear their ears now. I know say people don't like when they go on strike. Because if they go on strike, they are sabotaging this government. And just like I talked before, not reasonable charge all of them to face. Thank you for the work you do.
Thank you very much, Oga Polycarp.
Now Oga Polycarp promised they go give you title, Abi.
Keep on keeping on. I like what you are doing.
Thank you very much, Oga Polycarp. I'm only speaking for the people. I'm a man of the people.
The same way I am speaking for the people.
If I have the opportunity, I will give you a better job than this what you are doing now.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oga Polycarp.
Oga Polycarp, okay, let me know speak Igbo. You look me finish. You know what? Anyway, let's ride on.
Which ride on? Where are you riding on to?
Let us ride
Tell
on.
Nigerians the truth about the fuel scarcity.
The truth about the fuel scarcity. Nigerians came out, talk, spoke, una can't react, una immediately, una can't pump into action.
Make Isa tell us.
Now to tell us say na get hand there.
Make Isa tell us what it is.
Isa, good morning, Jare.
Hey, good morning, Nkubi.
Yes.
Good morning, Oga Isa.
Good morning.
Good morning, I greet you.
Hey, Nkubi, I beg, no mind my friend Polycarp and Chukudi.
Thank you.
They just to see say that they behind government. The government they give them something.
Oh.
That is why you say.
You see, I said they even promise a portfolio.
I know now. No mind them. This money when they use, they loot, they do campaign with them to say they pay police their money. Police no go they raise their voice. And secondly, this poor where they talk say PDP had the inside. Thank God say Minister of what you call her finance. She can't talk with her mouth say they owe market tax
thank you.
1 billion naira.
Yes, so.
God on the exposure.
We've been vindicated. We have been vindicated.
No mind them, I beg.
Thank you, Oga Isa. Thank you very, very much.
Oga Isa, make I address what you talk.
What are you addressing?
You see, Oga
the
Isa,
Minister of Finance come and don't talk. Say, look, then they owe oil marketers. So what they need to hear? Nigerians, you can see when I talk. My own is say, I they talk the truth, nothing but the truth. And the truth shall set me and you people free.
Is there no payment plan?
What is the payment
they
plan?
They don't get payment plan.
Where the money can come from? If not be from them.
If not be people who tell them, make them do amuko.
If not be from them.
If not be people who tell them,
Kunle, now from them. And I know say Kunle go judge this matter well. Kunle, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
Good morning, Oga Kunle.
Good morning. How's today?
Fine.
They greet you, Oga Nkubi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Shukudi.
Good morning, Oga Kunle.
Thank you very much. You know, yesterday I tried to call when you bring the honorable.
Okay, yeah.
Jimo.
Yeah.
Jimo.
The
issue is that one thing that if we are patriotic, anything that is happening in your country, try to give a second thought. Understand now? Don't jump to conclusion. Like Mr. Nkubi, just try to even encourage people.
Okay.
That's not a little bit.
Okay.
The issue is that I want to ask you something. Like the man that came yesterday said is the chairman of local government. How the local
Former
government?
Former chairman.
When he was there, the local government like London or like America.
Thank you.
I didn't know generating revenue from that local government.
Oh, your answer.
Let us sincere to ourselves. Understand now. Every tiers of government have role to play. Government development of this country. Understand now? Because they receive their own allocation, even both the states. I want to ask you, understand now, what have you achieved in the year that you have not achieved during this regime?
He said it. He mentioned you outlined some of the things they achieved.
What I'm telling you, I mean, Mr. Okubi, what have you achieved for past years? And you are not achieving it now.
Thank you.
Understand now?
Oh.
And again, how you be? How you live, maybe for past some years ago, and how are you living now? Understand now? And again, I want to ask you another question. Understand now? This issue of maybe development cannot come overnight. Understand now? Even a local government, for you to make a local government standard, develop a local government to take you years, not talk of the whole country. Understand now? Understand now? So let's try to encourage government. If you see something that is not good, say it, understand? But not to criticize government to the extent that everything they do, you will be against everything. You will be against everything the government is doing. Understand? It's not good. Understand? This man, if they put you there today, you will face what is facing. Or even lie on the other way crown. Understand now? You understand? You cannot see all. Understand? Even the Lagos you are saying, go to some area in Lagos, you cry for people. And Lagos are the rule by the opposition since 1999. If you enter some area for Lagos, you cry for people.
Oga Kunle, you don't make very important points. I go take am from that place where you don't talk. Thank you very much. Continue to watch as e dey hot. Make you dey call us the Chukma.
Oga Kunle, thank you very much. Yes, Oga Kunle don't talk. But then I still believe, see, the issue
what do you believe? That Nigeria is the truth. Don't tell us what do you believe?
The issue of change needs to upgrade.
Upgrade to where?
The issue of change needs to upgrade.
Upgrade to
we know
where?
they fall back on the fact, say Rome was not built in a day, Rome was not built in a day. What have we seen? What has been the span of development from now? From 15 years ago till now. That is why we keep insisting on change. Change. Let us see a better development this time. Yeah, Prince, they call us from Kaduna. Good morning, Prince.
Yeah, Oga, good morning.
Good morning.
And Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Prince.
Yeah, I like the way things happen. At least what I want to talk this year, these 6 weeks of postponement we don't do, at least we don't see the benefit of them.
Thank you very much.
You understand? At least we don't see the transformation, the way the transformation they go on.
Thank you.
Where we say somehow, the uncle be set of people. Chukudi, you know what they talk.
I you are not now.
I don't want too much talk now. Maybe say the thing can't happen again for you. Chukudi, you understand? So what I want to talk this year, even that, to me, what I want to talk, that date, that March 28th, by God's grace, is sacrosanct.
Yes, sir.
And by God's grace, I don't see a provision say police no go strike that day.
Thank you.
Yes.
So no matter how the monkey hand, as the baboon hand won't come, it will happen by God's grace.
Thank you very much.
Amen to that too.
Could be a beg. Make you if you talk say they say the truth, your hands are clean. I beg they say the truth in the actual fact.
Thank you.
You understand, ba?
Okay, thank you, Oga Prince.
Oga Prince, thank you very much.
Right.
Why una wan isolate from 1960 when Nigeria get independence? Over 50 years, una come on dey look a microscopic 4 years. It will not
A
work.
microscopic 4 years.
It will not work.
I be a microscopic 15 years.
4 years.
15 years.
Everybody
Since 1999, under one political party, man. Under one political party.
The same Baba Obasanjo wey rule this country for 8 years. Tear him membership card. Come dey accuse President Jonah say he never do anything. The 8 years when he rule us, like say he set precedent. Wetin people dey call precedent. Like say he set precedent now. Good luck for no start from there. Wetin you dey talk like this now? You no carry your pikin go primary school. You no carry am go secondary school. You wan make him be first class. Him be winch. No, answer the question. Him be winch. No, answer the question. In 6 weeks, our military don't take back territories upon territories from Boko Haram. Now ask yourself this question. Why you be saying that now Niger, Chad and Cameroon and the international community don't they concerned about Boko Haram? What did they do?
On that question, it is a question you and your people, you and your allies should be answering, not me.
People are sabotaging
because
the effort of government.
ask yourself,
Former
what it cost them before? And why at this point in time? Why at this point in time? Why at this point in time?
Yet, with the talk, say, can you justify the action of Boko Haram? Can you justify the action of Boko Haram? Why people go come and they support them? They talk, say, that they fight for the right thing, and yet that they take lives. Now, Lieutenant Colonel Jirika, when they carry out the onslaught against Boko Haram, people come and talk, say, they kill people for one particular part of the country.
And who are these people who come out?
We know them.
Who are these people who come out?
10 Nigerians. You know them.
No, he asked me. As if I know support this. It's okay. Fine. Go ahead. Fight this war. Make sure say now get territories. Make sure say now commit this thing completely. So what are we saying?
Who can't talk say make they give Boko Haram amnesty? You know the person when talk.
Who?
You know they ask me.
Why they ask me?
They ask me.
Why they ask me?
Maybe we take Uzo. Uzo they call us for me.
Why they ask me?
Udo they call us.
Udo they call us. Okay. Udo, good morning.
You don't pursue him now.
Not you start him.
I greet and good morning. You must you greet good morning 2 times. I greet person good morning.
Not you start him. Not in my own.
Why?
Because you don't open your eyes for him. That's why. You know what I want to say, look, say fine, Chukudi, you might have your point, but then we also look at from this other angle.
You know whether I know like me that they greet and 2 times. I greet and good morning. You greet and good morning. Why they remix the good morning? Why they remix the good morning? Now the thing that they do, Nigerians can see. Oga Udo, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Oga, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Udo.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Abeg, reduce the volume of your television, make we fit hear you well.
I want you on discussion today.
Yes.
Chook mouth, Oga Udo.
No, Shina Udo Abu Udo.
About the police matter.
Okay.
When I tell on Wednesday.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, ride on.
I want if police won't go strike, I say may they go strike,
Oh.
Because this government, favor police, Police just the work for government, but a big man, they chop the money.
Okay.
How can somebody go promotion since 2013?
No, just shake your head. Right
Come
on.
back, they never pay him.
Imagine.
Is it good?
No, it is not.
Is it good?
No.
Since 2013 till now, upon all the policemen, when police they work, they die every day. Policemen are dying every day.
Now
They
this
are
people
suffering.
talk say make they
No. Let him
They are
talk.
suffering. They are dying every day. Government
Yes.
cannot pay. No, it's money not this country. Money not this country. When they bring money and pay police, police is at the blue work. They cannot. You go see one politician, he go carry 20 police. They work out for themselves.
And now them,
But they money to the police. The wahala.
Now them.
Money they this country. If police want go strike, may they go. That one no monkey hand, no.
No monkey hand. No monkey
May they
hand.
go. If they want go strike, may they go.
Yes.
Money they this country.
Thank you very much, Agudo. You've made a very solid point. Chukudi,
Udo.
you hear, and this is Udo. And you don't know whether this Udo self, whether he get family will be police or he himself be police. So
Udo.
now, best way where the shoe, they know where the shoe they pay now for body.
Oga Udo.
So don't Udo him. Leave Udo. Udo has made this point.
Oga Udo.
What do you want to say? What do you want to talk?
To avoid argumentum ad ignorantiam, I will correct some things that you have said.
What are you correcting?
But
What
make I
are you
take
correcting?
Make we take Abdul from Kaduna. Before I correct what Oga Udo talk. Oga Abdul, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Aga Abdul.
Nkuyi, I greet you.
Good morning. Thank you very much.
Well done.
Yes.
I want to come out for this insurance matter.
Okay.
I will come and ask that guy who wear black cap. I answer one question.
Okay.
The same president, the same police,
You must call the
Hold on,
president with
hold on.
respect. Call the president
And
with
they call.
respect.
the
Call
same
him with
soldier,
respect.
the same every. They don't see solve this problem for the past 6 years. Now 6 weeks.
Now
they
you
will
want to take
solve
some
this problem. My brother, check him. No move rich like that too.
I thank you, Abdul.
We know move rich like that.
Thank you, Abdul.
We know what they happen. We know what they happen. Their politics they use this to do. They use people like they do politics. Can you imagine? So if coming of Buhari go make somebody dey serious for six weeks, coming of Buhari na blessing to Nigeria.
Okay.
So, na big blessing.
Thank you very much, Oga Abdul.
My God, your king will be better.
Thank you.
Oga Abdul.
10-5.
Oga Abdul. You and Oga Udo, I won't answer on a question at the same time. This is what we call twin response. I go command, so I know how to give counter attack. One, Oga Udo talk say, make police officers go on strike. Say government they hold them. First and foremost.
We get a caller from Kogi, Lizzie. Hold on, Lizzie, they call us from Kogi. Good morning, Lizzie. Lizzie, you there? Lizzie, good morning. Let's say Lizzie don't lose that one.
Oga Udo talk say make police officers go on strike. Say government do they hold them.
That I can't ask you. You know
what
whether I'm a policeman.
That Wednesday, say government they earmark money. This is a matter
earmark.
Exactly.
Earmark.
Government they earmark money.
Since when? Since 2003. 2013, they had the earmark.
The people when
they don't address at that time.
Excuse me.
Why now?
The people when they promote.
Because they say they don't come and contract and say they must go on strike if their money is not paid. It's earmarked.
If which money is not paid. This is a matter of allowance. The increments in their salary.
Why would you take up the responsibility of promoting somebody When you know say you know if you afford the payment of that person.
If you know say the person no deserve promotion, you go promote them in the first
People
place.
you don't promote nko.
Was there no promotion in the first place?
Okay, what follows up promotion? What follows up promotion? Motivation.
You say what?
Motivation. What follows up promotion? If not the rise in your allowance, the rise in your salary. So 2013 to now. So
they know they pay them.
What is the essence?
It was an issue
Old
of
salary.
negligence.
Old salary where they pay them.
Negligent. Now when you go on decide say you go on strike, your pikin carry last for class, you say you go cut him neck.
Me, I won't do that. I will not do it.
House. We go this break. Una see say the thing on the hot. When we go this break, come back. We go still continue to take phone calls. They answer all the questions when we raise this week. Unkubi, you need water.
You need them. I'm not. Look, I have all the energy in me.
Which energy in you?
I have all the strength in me. Yes, welcome back. The program now as E DEY HOT, and for today, what will they look? Will they look a review of what we'll talk about? What we'll talk this week? This week from Monday till yesterday will be Thursday, and we also don't open our phone lines for viewers to call, and also Chukma, because a lot of them go miss out for one or two of the discussion. So, but this is an opportunity for you to do it into call and also Chukma for these issues. So Chukudi, back to you.
Yes, exactly.
You were saying something.
Yes. Who don't talk say police officers say may they strike on the 28th. And I still they talk and say, now the Nigerian police force was founded on waiting, loyalty and discipline. Channels there where you feel do waiting, you feel express your grievance. But to embark on strike is a no-no.
For how long? How long they don't do on this channel? How long they don't do on this channel? Because this thing not start now. They don't talk about this thing since. Don't they raise these their voices since? But nothing was done about it. And what do you expect?
On the 28th of March.
Why won't they?
Now why they can't go
because
on
that
the 28th
is the best time they feel say their voice could be heard.
Listen to
if
yourself.
they could use that, if they use that one, take say okay. See now on this day to go strike.
Best time.
The reaction.
Police go strike.
The reaction.
On election day.
Positive. And
on election day.
Don't be surprised. Say now they will start to run around to make sure they pay them.
Ask yourself this question. Now they promote them for 2013 December.
We have Victor from Abuja. Good morning, Mr. Victor.
Nkobe, good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Victor.
I beg, this country matter don't enter another level. But as they be, Oga Presido, he don't try very, very well.
Thank you very much.
Right from when he starts. You know, say, monkey and don't day from the, even from the day of his swearing, you understand, then throw bomb. We did there, gone for Eagle Square when it starts. So, but Bele don't day. But Bele don't day, for this Oga Jonah regime. They don't just want to make things just pure. Even when he even consider the less privileged, they arrange school for them, make them go school for, make their future for bright. Yes, some people say no do anything. See East-West Road and schools when they do, many things when put on ground. Yes, they don't want to appreciate. So that I just look and they say, make APC, make them know they attack this government. Like say, Jonah no do anything. Oga Jonah, they do very well. They try. You understand? No, even the US then go get their own problem. Nigeria no go turn to US overnight. You understand? Hello?
Yes.
Nigeria no go turn to US overnight. So he's trying his best based on his capabilities. And from what I'm seeing, he's really moving forward. Even the military, you understand? It took them time to really calculate the movement of this Boko Haram because they know they show themselves. They will just attack, run. So they've been watching and moving in sequence to see that this matter solved. So you know, go possible. Even now, police say they won't go strike. Why? Why must you go strike now? Can't you wait after election? Or why didn't you go for strike since? You know, go strike since. Now we don't want to do election. We won't go strike. No be
election day. On election day,
you won't go. Now, no be wickedness with that. And somebody go say you good. that person will say good. Now, part of the people who want problem for this country.
Thank you very much, Oga Victor.
Oga Victor, you don't make point. Thank you very much.
Now address wetin Oga Victor talk. Oga Victor mentioned about say Boko Haram. Say they take the military time to figure out how they will take address.
Because
hold on, I'm still talking.
Because
I'm still talking.
In a guerrilla warfare.
I'm still talking.
Hit and run.
So
Hit and
why
run.
is the time? Why will it take them time? You come in at this period. That time can't fit in. I think it's been programmed.
Because
it's been programmed
the
to fit
theater
in.
of war
It's been programmed
has been
to fit
defined.
into.
You don't go command now. You don't go command. You don't understand.
Government go favor government campaign to come back to power.
Make we take Vin. They call us from Asaba. Oga Vin, good morning.
Is it Vin or Bin?
Good morning. D-I-N.
Okay, good morning, Mr. Bin.
How you doing?
We did fine.
I beg, Ukubi.
Yes.
You're well done for the work you do.
Thank you very much.
You see, this place where they say Oga Presido, they try. This way, they do this almajiri school after they see like info self. You understand?
Okay.
This one they call a structural development, not the internal. What in they there? You see, compare our late president Yar'Adua in 2 years only with this good luck 6 years. You don't compare them. The difference is clear. You understand? And this is why they say police, they go strike, police no get conscious. Now lie. Make I tell you, even the senators, if they don't give them allowance for
then go protest.
They don't get subdivision.
Yes.
They are allowed before even they even see that, they don't pay them.
Imagine.
And these people go there inside sun, inside rain, always, they don't pay them. And if they don't do that one, government not going to say they work.
Is that the justification to go strike on March 28th?
Hold on.
And they say they will go strike for during election.
On March 28th.
They don't go say that they use food. You understand now?
Yes.
So
and that's why they need they go respond to them quick.
So now they don't know say police get
important.
If police no say they go strike that day, that one they give them danger, and they say what they do when they recognize them.
Oh.
So I beg this one when they talk, police strike.
Thank you very much, Agabin. Thank you very, very, very much. Chukudi.
You see, are they surprised? Say people when come out here first. They talk say why AIG Mbu go talk say he no go allow people killing men anyhow. Now then they come here now they talk say make police go strike.
Chukudi,
now you don't defend our police.
I made my point very clear. I made my point very clear that day.
Defend our police.
I made my point very clear that day.
Say, make people
I
police
made my point clear.
You say make they treat police anyhow.
Winnie, they call us
now
from
you
Abuja.
don't defend our police.
Good morning, Winnie.
God go judge you.
God go judge you.
You go see him.
You said go see him. Good morning, Winnie.
Good morning.
Good morning, Madam Winnie.
Good morning.
Good morning, madam.
I want to talk more small for inside this matter.
Yes, we're here.
I'm not sure no, don't promote police people.
Thank you very much. Now police promote themselves. Now they blame Oga Presido.
When their payment, they are signed and so. And secondly, get one impression when I want correct from our callers. When our callers go, they call our Oga Presido, they go, they call them anyhow.
They disrespect her.
Anybody when they call Oga Presido, they call them anyhow. No get respect for his father.
Thank you very much.
And secondly, no hands when they go put, no nyash when they go put. No, if they put hands for nyash, no shit must come out.
Exactly. Even Oyibo, no, even Oyibo.
Because it gets as this like Oga Presido, don't try. If police like make them go strike, now their business. Even when he promotes them, they recognize the work what they do before he promotes them. And he get people when this thing get their hands, they tell them this area. Why everything they call this man, he go die for now, and I'm not go 15 and they come back 2015. Now we're gonna talk.
Okay, Madam Winnie, thank you very much.
That's why I didn't want to carry on go.
Madam Winnie, you don't make your point.
Thank you very much.
All the points where Madam Winnie don't make now 40 points. 40 points. Yeah. Even on the day of Oga Presido inauguration, bomb go off for Abuja, very close to Eagle Square. After Oga Presido win election,
it's not because
violence happened for some parts of this country. Now some people they talk say they go form parallel government. The blood and the baboon.
Listen.
We know they hear them.
Listen to me.
We they hear them.
Listen to me.
We they hear them.
Because I say within national TV, I for call you thief.
Which thief you go call me?
I for call you
Madam Winnie,
thief.
See woman
40%.
Woman of God, come talk big points. Make we take James from Suleja.
Hey!
15 people now. Everybody.
You're a thief. In fact, I don't call you that thief. You're a thief.
Oga James, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga James.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning,
Oga James.
Good morning.
Yes.
How is today?
We thank God. I bet Chukma for this matter.
Yes.
for the whole thing when we don't talk last week. This week, I mean, good. But I want to ask Ukubi one question.
Yes,
direct it. Tell him.
Please, Jega, is he a law-abiding citizen or not?
He is.
Eh?
He is a law-abiding citizen.
Constitutionally, for the civil servant commission, whatever, he's supposed to go on terminal leave.
That is not an excuse, Oga.
Excuse me.
He started a job and he must get on with the job.
Excuse me, let him talk. Excuse him, let him talk.
Wait, he's supposed to go terminal leave, 1 month terminal leave.
Now, voluntary thing. If you want go, if you go. If no one go,
He said I'm voluntary.
yes. If you want go, make him go.
Oga James, talk first. Talk.
Yes. Another thing, you know, say nothing good comes easy.
Thank you.
Nothing good comes easy.
Thank you.
A lot has spoiled, a lot has gone wrong in this country before good luck
Since
came on board.
1960. Since
And you need
1960.
time to get something corrected. Now, for Jonathan to start fighting Boko Haram is not a street fight that will just come out that day and start fighting that day.
This
You
one go
need
command.
to get the attention. You need to get the support of the surrounding continent,
Thank you.
country
Thank
around
you.
us, so that these people don't have a way to escape.
Thank you.
Because I want to ask you one question. When Buhari was president, how many ammunition did he buy to fight terrorism?
Answer.
He didn't buy any. Now,
Did he
you know
have
how
issues?
much- how
And
much
the issues he had,
good
he
luck
tackled
to
them.
buy
Answer.
ammunition
He had issues and he
from
tackled
outside
the
country.
issues.
Ship and come Nigeria, it's not easy. It takes time. That is on that
It is not
point.
an excuse,
Now,
oh.
I ask you another question. Make I ask you another question.
Second question.
Make I ask you another question. When Buhari was president, how many power generation did he build for this country? How many power plant did he build?
But the
when he was
power
president?
as then was better off than power now.
Which better off?
Yes.
Which better off?
Yes.
Answer.
It's not a stop because he did on national TV. No problem. But like I tell you, say you want change. It could be you want change.
Yes.
Abi, you want change.
Yes.
Maybe the change will start from you. No problem.
Okay.
You can work for Wazobia TV. I'd like change. Give another your position, your place in that office. Maybe you go see that because
Thank you very much, Oga.
You want change. You know,
Thank you,
work
James.
again.
Thank you very much.
Okay,
Thank you
James,
very,
thank you
very much.
He asked 2 questions. Answer them.
Say waiting.
No, they ask me.
Say waiting.
Shebi the right time.
I want change.
Answer them.
Dozie they call us. And Dozie go at least give me a voice of change. Good morning, Dozie. Good morning, Dozie. Dozie, you there?
You don't fear him now.
Why I go fear him?
Before he talk, he said he go give you the voice of change. You know what Dozie want talk? You know what Dozie want talk? He go give you the voice of change.
Make I address
Dozie when already talk and finish.
wetin
Dozie
James
when
talk.
already talk and finish.
James
say
talk
Mr.
say,
President na
do
good
you know,
man.
say it dey take long for you to bring in ammunition from this thing. I come dey ask, the question come be, and what if na external aggression, maybe we are fighting another country? You come dey wait till you bring in ammunition. For how long?
It is no longer a...
See, for me, the way I see this, I say it's been programmed to fit into this period.
Which program?
So
to
you go
fit into which
favor
period?
the government when they in power, they will feel say yes, don't tackle and for them to come back in power. It's as simple as that.
Look at yourself.
What is
Our
look at
people waiting
yourself?
for us. Make we rush go this break. When we go this break, come and we'll continue this discussion as E DEY HOT. The phone lines they open. You feel call, chook mouth on top of any of what we don't discuss this week. We they come back as E DEY HOT.
You just they call for break.
You
just
say
dey call for
they
break.
say they
Because-
We still dey discuss the matter as E DEY HOT. On top of the chairman television station Wazobia TV, on top Star Times, channel 195. We don't take plenty calls today, and all our callers don't share their views on the different topic when we discuss this week. We go quickly rush, go Facebook now, make we check some things where we say our people them talk. Igor General talk say, Chukudi abeg tell Nkubi say APC get hand inside the fuel wahala, and that monkey hand we go cut them out, whether Jega dey or Jega no dey. Transformation all the way. He don't talk as the team be am for body. Then we get Abdullahi Mohammed. Abdullahi Mohammed talk say na proverb na mean they put for here. But another thing when he talk we say they say police go strike They say Jega no fit. They say security no dey. Say all of this one na scope, Maradona scope, when we say the government they use to take confuse Nigerians. He come to say na Baba God hand we dey and na him go save all of us.
Okay, see, these are from Jimon. Jimon, he talk, say, look, on the fuel matter, on the fuel scarcity matter, look, say, why government, it can't be saying now, why be saying now, government can't they react so quickly to the response of people over the fact, say, fuel, no day all this why? Why be saying now? Now to also tell you, say, waiting, monkey hand be there.
Because of the artificial scarcity when una start.
Artificial scarcity, when the Minister of Finance don't come out, come talk, say, look, now true say them be OP, them be owe them money, them be owe workers money.
Why fuel?
What you can talk?
Why fuel dey Enugu? Why fuel dey Nasarawa?
Why fuel no dey Kogi?
Why fuel dey Port Harcourt? Why fuel dey
These are individual. No, they mention places where you don't know.
Why fuel dey Imo?
It is a lie.
Why fuel dey
National,
Aba?
at that point, it was clearly stated, say, it don't become national issue.
There was
national.
a payment plan.
Say, fuel no dey nationally. Nationally.
Not here the newspaper.
The newspaper dey your head.
Why you can't carry it?
Why no carry? I have the right to carry paper. Check, put on down. If they your head.
Why you go carry the newspaper?
I say I have the right to carry any paper I want. Put on down.
If you carry this paper now.
Do that thing you want. I want to do on.
Carry another one. You go see what. Carry another one.
Carry on. Oh yeah, do what you want to do. I want to see that you're vexed. I won't see that you're vexed right now. Yeah.
Why you can't come out cap?
No, now you won't vex.
Why you dey come out cap? Why you dey come out? I mean, wear cap. No confuse people when they house. Wear cap. You know why I say when you wear this cap? No confuse people when they
talk what you want to talk. If you want to talk. Talk to Nigerians. The point is, at this point, now here we go draw the curtain and today's show of As E Dey Hot. And until Karando Bonga Matter coming away again on Monday will be next week. From me will be Nkubi. Una bye bye. Chukudi. If you want to tell them bye bye, tell them bye bye.
Una bye bye our people. You say Monday will be next week. Before Monday no go be next week.
Yes.
Before Monday no go be next week.
So.
You won't confuse Nigerians.
So.
There you go.
What do you want to do?